Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to see another on-campus placement pattern, that is Akrivia HCM. I have also done many more videos on this company which are hiring for 10 to 12 LPA. In this video we are just going to see the questions which they have asked. In our next video we will discuss the solutions. Okay. Now let us see the questions which they have asked in round 1 and interview, and the topics which you have to prepare. Okay, I have gathered much more information from my friends and I have prepared the questions which they have asked for all of them, and I have filtered main important questions which they have asked in interviews, and I have put it in this video. So don't skip the video, watch until the end. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like and share the video so that everyone can access it. If you have any queries, please put it in the comment section. So now let us go into the topic. Round 1. Round 1 they have given this problem statement, that is print Z problem. The input is given as n is equals to 5. Now your task is to print a Z pattern using the star. Okay, and the same question I have faced in my another on-campus placement, that is called in circles. In that campus they have given an n value is equals to 5, and they are asked us to print star pattern, not in Z pattern, but they have asked the horizontal V. In this way they are asked to print. Okay, for that question I got many more comments. If you haven't watched in circles video, please go and watch. In comment section I have put the solution also. Okay, and this is the question. You will be given n is equals to 5 and you have to print a Z pattern. Okay, this is the question they have faced in round 1. In this video just we are seeing only the questions, because you can prepare. This is the chance for you to practice yourself and put it in the comment section. If you can't find the solutions, I will give in the video. Okay, now this is the question. If you want to practice this question, have a screenshot. Okay, and second question which they have faced is that this is from another campus. Okay, the questions which we faced I have already done a video, and these are the questions that my friend faced in another campus. Okay, flip bits to divide the array into 3 equal parts, and the problem statement given is that given a binary array, determine the minimum number of bits you need to flip to divide the array into 3 parts such that the decimal value of the binary numbers represented by each part is equal. If it is not possible, if it is not possible to divide the array into 3 equal parts by flipping, return -1. For instance, you are given this array. Now you have to flip some certain number of elements, and you have to divide into 3 equal parts so that their binary value is equal. Okay, this is the question they have faced in round 1. So be sure of preparing these type of questions. Okay, I will also gather the third question. If once I find, I will make another video, but for now I have gathered only 2 problem statements and I have done this video. If you find the solutions, please put it in the comment section. If you can't, I will make another video for you. Okay, now coming to the second round, be sure, see, the one who got shortlisted in round 1, they are eligible for round 2, and this is the technical round, and the one who are shortlisted in round 2 are eligible for round 3. So be sure while preparing the topics, and I have gathered from everyone and they have given some inputs for you and some certain questions. I have put it all the questions in this video, so don't skip, watch till the end. Okay, operating systems, they have asked questions from operating systems, basic and advanced questions in scheduling algorithms and process block, and about demand paging, bankers algorithms, and multiprocessing and multi-threading. Okay, and these are the questions which they have given in the scheduling algorithms. Each individual face different type of questions, and I have gathered only few questions which are repeated for all of them. Okay, different type of scheduling algorithms, and first come first serve scheduling algorithm, and shortest job priority scheduling, and multi-level queue, and difference between primitive and non-primitive scheduling, concept of aging. Okay, and prepare these all topics, have a screenshot if you want. Process control block. Okay, what is process control block and what information does it contain? Okay, these are the different type of questions for that my friends faced. Okay, not each member faced 2 to 3 questions from this, but I have gathered from many more ones, no, so they have given these type of questions and I have just put it on this video. And demand pacing, they have asked many more questions on demand pacing. Okay, if you want, have a screenshot. See, I will zoom for you. See, have a screenshot. Okay, have a screenshot and prepare well for your interview, and that is round 2. And this is from Java, concept of garbage collector, and pass by value and pass by reference. Please have a clear idea on this also. If you want, please put it in comment section so that I will make another video for you. Okay, and they have also given a problem statement, optimize triplets with XOR problem statement. See, this is the unique problem, so you need to focus well. See, what they have done means, after asking the questions from operating systems and Java, they have given a problem statement, and they will ask you to compile in front of them. Okay, first you need to understand the problem statement clearly. If you can't understand, please ask them to repeat it again, but don't misunderstand the question and do that, because one of my friend have done that mistake, because she could not understand the problem and she did in the problem which she understand and disqualified from the round 2. Okay, if you can't understand, please ask them. If you have any queries, put it in the comment section, I will answer for you. Okay, now this is the question. Given an integer array, find the number of triplets I j k such that I is less than j is less than k, and the XOR of the elements from index I to j minus 1 is equals to XOR of elements from j to k. Your task is to optimize the approach using the bit manipulation techniques to reduce the time complexity. See, it is nothing over here. You are given an array and you have to follow this condition, I to j minus 1 and j to k. Now what you have to do means, you have to find the triplets so that the XOR between them is equal. See, XOR between 0 and 0 is 1, and XOR between 1 and 2, see, these are equal, no? Now these triplets you have to produce. See the solution for you. I have gathered the solution for you. Okay, have a screenshot and code in this way. Okay, I hope you got a screenshot of this question. Have a screenshot and practice well. If you know the solution, put it in the comment section by giving this problem statement also. Okay, so that the one your juniors and your parents can access that. Okay, and they're also asking the SQL query, that is a stock operations problem statement. It is nothing, they are given a stock operations database with certain column names, and they are also given the price of the item and at which they have sold the item. Now you have to compute the gain or loss. Okay, now you should print that. Okay, the query should calculate the profit or loss based on the difference between buy and sell operations ordered by the transaction date. Okay, for example, if stock is bought at certain price and then sold it later, the difference between the sell and the buy should be computed to find gain or loss. Okay, this is the question, this is the SQL query that my friends faced. Okay, only one question I have put in this video. If you want, I will make another video. Okay, thank you. Prepare well for the interview as well as round 1. Crack the interview. Okay, please be focused on operating systems and Java and SQL queries. And for SQL query, they are asking you to compile in front of them, so be sure while doing SQL queries. If you want the videos on SQL queries solutions, please put it in the comment section so that I can know your need, and I will do many more videos on SQL queries and Java problems. And if you know the solutions, please put it in the comment section. Thank you and do well. If you don't doesn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.